95 Honda Accord with a rapidly blinking right turn signal. There's a normal speed on the left. When it's blinking rapidly like that, normally it means that one of the bulbs is burnt out. So the rear is flashing, the front is not. So this bulb is, well, there we go. It was just loose. But even though it's not flashing at the normal speed. It's flashing rapidly, so that's telling me something's wrong. So let's pop the hood, get to the back side of the turn signal assembly, and take that bulb out and see if moving it back and forth will get it to blink at a normal speed. To get this assembly out, there's only one screw that has to be removed. It's right here on top, and it's a Phillips head screw. And this should work on 94 through 97 Accords. Once you have that screw out, the assembly should slide forward. But it's been many, many, many years since I've had this out, and I would imagine it's going to be stuck in there. So I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, try to carefully pry that out without breaking it. There we go. It snaps in right here and down below. The turn signal bulb is this one back here in the yellow, which is this wiring harness. That should turn to the left, just like that. This bulb is partially burned out. There is some discoloration on it. It's not blinking as brightly as it should, so I'm going to replace this bulb. Looking through all my bulbs, I might have a match. The bulb on the right is the one out of the car, so even though it was working, you can see how it's discolored. So something inside of there was burned out. It wasn't working properly. Both of these bulbs are 12 volt and 5 watt, so this one's going to work. Snap the new bulb in. Let me cut it on to make sure it works right. We're good to put it all back together. So that fits back in. Bend it to the right to lock it in. I'm going to spray some penetrating oil on those two spots where it snaps in, so it should be easier to take it out the next time. Now the other bulb in this assembly, the one behind the clear plastic, that is your parking light. And as far as bulb numbers go, both of these are 168s. And that's a universal bulb number. It doesn't matter what brand you buy, you're looking for 168. And the bulb number for the lower turn signal light is 7440. And let me show you how to take that lens out. There's one screw that you have to remove. And on this side, the passenger side, that screw is on the right side of the light. Right through that opening, you can see the black head of a Phillips head screw. That screw has to come out. Once you get that screw out, the right side of the assembly will pop out and you can pull the whole assembly out. Then you replace the bulb. Again, it's a 7440. When you reinstall the lens, you hook the left side in first, then you push in the right and you reinstall the screw. The driver's side is going to be the same thing, just on the opposite sides. And this should apply to 94 through 97 Accords, which are all considered 5th generation. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.